Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G30 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive, so we cannot really manually change the date and time or the time zone. It is because we are using the automatic options. So first of all, we have to turn off all of those switchers. And now we can freely tap on date, and from this calendar choose the date we want to apply and confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just choose it from this clock and it will be immediately applied to the status bar. Let's tap on the time zone, tap on the region, and of course this is another thing we can change. Just find your region and tap on it. Let me choose this one. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. We can also change the time format. So currently we are using 12-hour one. We can use 24-hour format just by tapping on this switcher at the bottom, and it will be immediately applied again. And basically this is the whole manual customization of date and time, and of course you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers at the top of each section. So we will use automatic provided time and the time zone. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.